Hello, friends. Another amazing technology that shocked the world is 3D printing and how it will rock the world. 3D printing is not just one process. 3D printing and additive manufacturing are umbrella terms for many different technologies and processes. Each type of 3D prints builds parts and products layer upon layer, usually from the bottom up, sometimes from the top down. 3D printing have been around for about 30 years. Until recently, they were used mostly in industry for rapid prototype beginning in 2009. Early 3D printing patents for material extrusion started to expire, which led to many startups offering material extrusion machines, often called fused deposition modeling FDM or fused filament fabricants FFF machines. Entering the market, this created a consumer side to the 3D printing industry. Around the same time, industrial 3D printers got good enough to start making and use production parts. So today the industrial machines are used for both prototyping and production. Industrial machines can make end use production parts for aerospace components, jigs, and fixture for automotive manufacturing and customized healthcare products such as cranial implants, surgical models, and teeth aligners. The most common of 3D printing technologies are described below. Binder getting, also called digital part materialization DPM, is an inject method somewhat like a 2D inject printer. Binder jetting employs one or more jets to dispense chemical binders layer by layer into a bed of powdered polymer, stainless steel, bronze, tungsten, or soda lime glass powder, or sand for making molds. These machines make excellent molds and can also make finish full color parts after additional heat treating 3D system United States and X1 United States make industrial grade binder jet printers. Voxelist Germany makes binder jet printer with a very large build platform. A Voxeljet machine 3D printed replicas of James Bond's Aston Martin D B5 for the movie Skyfall. Directed energy deposition, laser engineered net shipping or laser cladding. Directed energy deposition DED is also known as laser cladding. Perhaps the best example of DED systems are the laser engineered net shipping machines made by Optimac of Albuquerque and M Lanes. Machines employ deposition heads, which are similar to inject heads, to supply metal powder to the focus of the laser beam, which melts the powder into the desired shape. Using multiple metal inputs, these machines can 3D print metal alloys on the fly. LEMNS machines make structural finish part. Trump's Germany has a similar DED process, and both DMG Mori Siki Germany, Japan, and Yamazaki Mazak Japan make a hybrid DED machine and multi-axis computer numerical control CNC mill. EAFESTO makes a laser cladding machine that builds a layer of metal on exciting parts. NASA and Penn State University are using the Efesto machine for a process they call radiant deposition, which builds up layers of metal powder radically on a rotating rod. The metal powder can be changed while a part is being built, also creating metal alloys on the fly. Electron beam free from fabrication. Electron beam free from fabrication EBFF forces an electronic beam on metal alloy of feedstock in wire form, which is fed into the beam in a vacuum, creating a molten metal pool that solidify immediately. NASA plans to use EBFF machines to build parts in zero gravity. Skaki, United States calls its version of this process electronic beam additive manufacturing and makes a giant version 9 multiply 4 multiply 5 feet that wields wire feedstock with an electronic beam. Material extrusion, fuse deposition modeling, or fuse filament fabrication. Fuse deposition modeling FDM machine extrude a thermopolistic filament, usually acrylic butadiene or polylactic acid, through a tiny headed nozzle into a build platform, building the part from the platform up. A second nozzle may extrude material to create spots that are removed after the part is built. Thank you so much guys for listening and watching my video. In next video I can tell you about the more amazing and extreme technology of the world. This is about the 3D printer, and next video I can tell you more about. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.